Alright guys, welcome back to Learnlyte, and this is the second video in a series of video how to learn Java. Alright, so in this video now we're gonna be continuing from where we left off in the last video. So we're gonna be writing our very first program in Java. So granted you've followed my first video and you've downloaded the Java JDK and you've successfully selected the IDE that you wish to use, we will now be writing our very first Java program and running it. So today in this lesson we're going to be writing our very first Java program, the Hello World program, which basically displays Hello World to the user. So let's get started. So I'm gonna close this and I'm gonna open my IntelliJ IDE. This is the one I'll be using, but you guys are free to use whichever IDE you want. So my IDE is loading up and I have a few projects here. Learnlyte Java, that's the project I'll be working with. It's opening up my project. Take some time. I'm gonna close this, and here we have our project. So if you're using my IDE, you will see a similar setup right here where we have a project, and then inside of this project we're gonna have some folders and some files here. You don't have to worry about this folder. You probably won't have this folder unless you're using IntelliJ, but you should have a source folder, right? This IDE folder is unique to IntelliJ, but if you create a new project in whichever IDE you have, you should have this source folder right here. And inside of this source folder is where we're gonna write our program. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna right click right here. I'm gonna say new Java class, and I'm gonna call this class hello. Take capital H. So we're gonna create a new Java class. So just follow along for now. I won't explain everything that's happening in the video, but just follow along, and by the end of this video you should have your first Java program running. So here you can see IntelliJ did something for me right here. It wrote public class hello, and you guys should do the same. So granted you've written public class hello followed by two curly brackets. Instead of these curly brackets now we're gonna write public static void, and we're gonna say main. So just follow along for now. I know this probably won't make sense, but just follow along, because in this video we just want you to basically write your first Java program. So even though you don't understand what's going on, just follow along, and by the end of the series, as we go along, I'll explain everything in more detail. So we're gonna have public class hello, we're gonna have these two curly brackets, and inside of these curly brackets we're gonna have public static void main, followed by open parentheses string, followed by two open and close square brackets, followed by args close parentheses, and then open two curly brackets again. Now instead of these curly brackets now we're gonna write system dot out dot print. I'm gonna say print ln, followed by open and close parentheses, followed by a semicolon, and inside the parentheses we're gonna have quotation marks, and inside the quotation marks we're gonna write hello world. This is my first program. Alright, we're gonna save by hitting Ctrl S, and now we're gonna run this program. So how do we run it? Is there's usually a tab up here that says run. We're gonna go ahead and click it and click run, and the program we want to run is the hello. Go ahead and click on that, and then down here you can see it's building, compiling the program, and once it finishes compiles it will run the program, and it's taking some time. And here we have compilation completed successfully, and it runs the program, and here you can see hello world, this is my first program. So granted, if you've written everything up here exactly as you see it, and you were able to build your program without any errors and run it, you should be able to see, hello world, this is my first program. So granted you followed along, you should have successfully written your first Java program and you have successfully run your first Java program without any errors. If you see this, then congrats. You've written your first Java program and you've run your first Java program. So, what does this all mean? Well, this is a lot to take in for now, but for now I'll just simply go over some of these terms right here. So, hello right here, this is just the name of the class in Java. And in Java, everything that we write consists of class. So basically, without any class, you can't have any program. You can't have your program do anything. So if you're not new to object-oriented programming, you should know what a class is. But if you don't know what a class is, that's fine. We'll cover that in later videos. And this right here is the name of the method called main. And if you don't know what a method is, that's fine. We'll go over these things. And right here is just the Java way of printing out information to the user. So I know this is a lot to take in. I know you probably don't understand what is going on, but the point of this video is for you to run your first Java program. In later videos, I'll explain what all of these mean, and I guarantee as the series go along, you will completely understand what is happening. So for now, if you don't understand, just bear with me. I just want you to write this piece of code as you see here, exactly as you see it, and you should be able to build and run your code without any errors. And once you've done that, you should be able to see this. And if you've successfully seen that, that means your code works perfectly. And that would be the end of this video. In the next video, we're going to delve deeper and we're going to talk about some of these terms here, such as methods, class, arguments, etc. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to them. So as always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And once again, thank you for watching.